Welcome to Lesson 25A, using jQuery for AJAX in web forms. In Lesson 23, you learned about using JavaScript to perform client-side programming. In that lesson, you were introduced to the jQuery script library. In Lesson 24A, you learned how to use the AJAX extensions provided by the ASP.NET Web Forms framework. In this lesson, I teach you how to use the AJAX tools provided by the jQuery library. These are the AJAX methods that jQuery provides. $.ajax method performs an AJAX request. All of the other methods in this list are shortcuts that actually use this method. The $.get method loads HTML using an HTTP GET request. The $.getJSON method loads JSON encoded data using an HTTP GET request. The $.getScript method loads a JavaScript file using an HTTP GET request and executes it. The .load method loads HTML into the specified element, and the $.post method loads HTML using an HTTP POST request. The simplest way to fetch data asynchronously from the server is to use the .load method. The .load method can be used to replace the update panel server control that was introduced in Lesson 24A. These are the global AJAX event handlers that jQuery provides: AJAX complete, AJAX error, AJAX send, AJAX start, AJAX stop, and AJAX success. In this lesson, you use jQuery to create the same page that you created in Lesson 24A. The lesson requirement for this lesson is the pleasewait.gif file. To get started with this lesson, select New Project, ASP.NET Web Application, and then our Lesson 25A for the name of the application. Finally, click the OK button. Open the site master and add a reference to the jQuery-1.4.1.js library. Now right-click the project, select New Item, select Web Form Using Master Page, and enter ajax.aspx for the name of the new web form. Use the site.master for the master page. Change the title to AJAX, and also right-click it and select Set as Start Page from the menu. Add markup to the main content that will include a literal that will display the time rendered and a literal to display the time it was updated, and then a Submit Update button. Add some script to the bottom. The first thing you need to add is an AJAX setup method that's going to go ahead and set the cache to false. If you leave the cache true, it's not going to work. Also, on the Submit button, on the Submit Update button on the click event, we want the current time to be loaded from the currenttime.aspx page. Initialize the two literals in the page load event. Add another web form. This is going to be the current time web form that's going to be actually loaded when the button is clicked. Delete everything in the markup except the at page directive. Go to the page load and just have it return the current time. And then click the F5 button. Click the Update Time. And you see it changes the time without having to do a full page postback. Now right-click the name of the project and select New Folder to add a folder named Images. Right-click the Images folder, select Existing Item from the Add menu, and add the pleasewait.gif file. add markup to the AJAX.ASPX file to display the please wait GIF in a div, and then add some more JavaScript down at the bottom, which is going to be used to hide and to show the please wait. Go back to the page load for the current time and add a system threading sleep for 3 seconds so that it will be delayed, so that we'll actually be able to see our wonderful please wait GIF. Click the F5 button to run the application, and now when we click it we can see our please wait animation. Go ahead and close the browser. Now to add a timer, go to the bottom of our script, and using the set interval method of the window, have it automatically update every 5 seconds. So it's going to call the current time.aspx page every 5 seconds. So let's wait, and there it goes. And it's finished, and there it goes again.